Hi friends, welcome to our channel and you are watching 72 Info TV. Friends, in today we are going to reveal some amazing fact about the life of Rock Johnson, who is a WWE and Hollywood star. There was a time in Rock Johnson's life when his landlord kicked him out of the house not paying rent. So before discussing this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos.
Rock's real name is Dawn Douglas Johnson. He was born on May 2, 1972 in the US state of California. Rock is now 48 years old because his grandfather Peter Maivia and his father Rocky Johnson also wrestler. Friends, the important thing is that Rock's family did not even want him to come to wrestling because his grandfather and father participated in wrestling all their lives but still lived in poverty. That's why his father prepared him for the rugby team. But luck was on his side and he was ruled out of the rugby team forever due to an injury. You will be amazed to know that the made such a body at the age of 14 that when he went to school people thought he was a policeman who has come to the school to spy on someone. He made such a body inspired by his father's body. The difficulties that friends see in making Rock as a superstar today are also very important. There was a time when their landlord kicked them out of the house when they could not pay their landlord. I made it my goal in life to never see such a day again, he said. That's why when he became a superstar, he gifted his mother a house on the same day that the landlord kicked out his family. Friends, if they do not work hard, they will never achieve this goal. Friends arrive at their gym at 4 in the morning and at 7 in the morning they get busy with other things. The reason they get up at 4 o'clock is that they say that anyone who can beat the sun can do everything in life. That is why they get up at 4 in the morning and go to bed at 10 at night. Rock is the only Hollywood superstar to sign on the movie and get to work on time. That's why they made more than 90 crore million in 2020. Speaking of Rock's private life, he fell in love with a girl named Dany Garcia in 1997, after which they married each other. The funny thing is that Dany Garcia himself was a bodybuilder girl whom Rock met in the gym. Dany Garcia was behind the Rock that is in such a big place today. Because Dany Garcia is many times richer than Rock, it's because of his sense of humor in business. But at the moment, sadly, they two are divorced. One of the fun thing about Rock is that he gives a car as a gift to make anyone happy. In addition to his staff, he has even gifted a car to his driver. Rock's first wife also has a daughter, Simone Alexander Johnson. You will also be surprised to know that Rock does not create action scenes in his film, but a person similar Tanai Red. And Rock where there is a risk of injury, that's where it all plays out. This person is none other than D-Rock cousin. Rock is not an American citizen but a Canadian. Rock where they take care of their fitness is the name of their day, called cheap the day they eat all the things. Rock is the only person who despite being rich does not forget his poor relative but gather them and celebrate in his house. He has set up a company called Construction to provide employment to his poor cousin. He earns money by fixing big houses and earning a living from movies. All this work is done by the team of Rock cousin. If something went wrong somewhere in the world, Rock would try to fix everything there with his own money. Friends, Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman Rock is also one of the good friends. An example of which is Rock's Instagram post where he thanked Mohammed bin Salman for inviting him to his house. So how did you like the amazing information about Rock? Please express your opinion about this video in the comment section.